Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix unable to load persistence data in Battlefield 2042 game. So without wasting any time, let's follow the fixes. The first fix is to simply restart the game or router. So simply close the game from task manager. Also restart your Wi-Fi router, then reconnect to your Wi-Fi and then relaunch the game and check. This is the basic fix that works in many cases. Second solution is to flush the DNS and change DNS server. So in Windows search, type CMD and run the command prompt as an administrator. Click yes to allow. Now here you have to type two code. First code is this one. Copy paste this code from the video description. I have mentioned this in my video description. Then hit enter. Then copy the second code and hit enter. Now you have to restart the computer in order to complete the reset process. So simply click on Windows icon, then power menu and then restart. And after your PC restart, then you can launch the game and check. If still your problem is not solved, then change the DNS server manually. So in Windows search, type control panel and open it. Then click on view network status and tasks. Then select your connected Wi-Fi, click on it. Then click on properties. Then select Internet Protocol version 4 TCP IPv4 and then click on properties. Now here select use the following DNS server address and in preferred DNS server type 8888 and in alternate DNS server type 8844. Then click OK, then close it, and then you can launch the game and check if your problem is fixed or not. If you are PC players, then launch the Battlefield 2042 game and go to the in-game options, then general and disable crossplay from there. If you are the Xbox player, then go to settings, general, online safety, privacy and online safety, Xbox privacy, communication and multiplayer, and then block cross network play, and then you can launch the game and check. If still your problem is not fixed, then check the EA server status. Go to this official EA website. The link is provided in the video description. And if you find that Battlefield 2042 server is down, under maintenance or having any outage, then in such case you have to wait for the server status to get back online for the Battlefield 2042 game, and then you can launch the game and check. So by this way you can fix unable to load persistence data error in Battlefield 2042 game. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and subscribe to my channel, share this video and hit the bell icon to get the latest updates. Thank you.